Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the ng sound. Can you make the ng sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth slightly. Then, raise the back of your tongue to the roof of your mouth, like this. Now, hold that tongue position while you make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Are you ready? Ng. Ng. Now let's practice a few words with the ng sound. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Bank. Singer. Morning. The ng sound can be spelled with the letter N as in bank or ng as in singer and morning. Nicely done. Great job. Ellii.